there are a lot of fireworks going on around LA this 4th of July, 2011. And I know, more than ever, lots of guys out there know that they are headed for severe consequences, even torsoing, for taking part in my censorship and religious isolation. I'm John Milton Brady. Guys, I want you to hang in there. Don't take the easy way out. Don't think about going up to the top of a building and jumping off. Don't OD, think of taking that coward's way out. There's a lot of things waiting for you guys. A lot of things you can do as torsos. You can enjoy fireworks as a torso. And think about it. When you're 2 or 3 feet shorter because you've been torsoed, it'll be like you're a small child again, looking up at those fireworks for the very first time. Hang in there, guys. It's gonna be alright.